getting pulled over? Nope. No, I can't. It is absolutely gross out today.
Brutal.
Brutal. But what are we doing today?
Filming a very exciting and dramatic video.
It's gonna be very exciting. It's gonna be very dramatic. It's gonna feature.
It's gonna be incredible.
The Jeep Trackhawk, but first, let's see if it's gonna start.
Yeah, let's see if it's gonna start here.
Well, I mean, I think
you
guys already know that it's gonna start because we moved it from that side of the garage to this side. Let's fire it up though. Watch it not start. Alrighty guys, so let's go to the gas station and let's head downtown to get some 6 shots of the Trackhawk. Let's go. Okay, so one thing that's very unfortunate from last video is my Uconnect screen won't turn on. Will the lights turn on? Yeah, the lights will turn on. The Uconnect screen won't turn on. It won't charge my phone. Apple CarPlay doesn't work. Okay guys, so like any Trackhawk, we have to fill up our fuel here. If you tuned into the last video, you'll have seen that I threw some 94 octane in here, but let's see my miles per gallon. We're averaging 8.5 miles per gallon right now. Absolutely brutal. But let's head out. Let's head to the gas station quick. I'm gonna give the camera here to Spencer. We're gonna put it into sport mode because what are you doing driving a Trackhawk if it's not in sport mode? It's snowy out, eh? So we're arriving at the gas station that we went to last video. We're not gonna put $5 in this time. We're just gonna put $20 in, and we're gonna see how far that gets us. I'm on a budget right now because not enough of you guys are hitting the subscribe button. So guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It pushes out my content to a whole new viewer collective, if you want to call it that. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, guys, and let's fill up the Hawk. There's no spots. This taxi is gonna what are you doing, buddy?
Buddy.
Just wait, let's see. Those cracks are from the cold. It's like minus 35 right now. So like the vehicle's been inside, so it's like cold and like all the parts are contracting. So there's a bunch of weird noises happening right now in the Trackhawk. Better not be diesel. No, we're good. It's Vin Diesel. It is absolutely miserable out today. You know what? We're gonna go with 91 octane because I'm low on cash. So I gotta. Okay, my hand's gonna fall off. Okay, what in the world? Are you kidding me? What the it's cold! I want to move to Texas, man.
Yeah, let's go to Texas.
Bro, with the wind chill is like, what is it?
It's like minus 30, 35.
Let me check right now.
It was this morning. It was like with the wind chill minus 36.
Man, minus 34. It hit the...
Why'd you just put that in there?
I can only afford $20. Starbucks vlog
part 2.
Maybe if we're feeling a little bit risky later in the video, we'll put it into track mode.
I think that's a great idea.
We do have snow mode too.
We'll put it in track mode in the parkade.
We do have snow mode.
Snow mode, no.
And I have studded tires, so I'm gonna absolutely rip the studs off of these tires today.
That sounds like a great idea.
You know what?
I like that.
$2,000 tires right out the window.
Yeah, there you go.
Please like the video. Please like the video so I can afford new tires. Hi, can I get 1 coffee? Just a small coffee, 2 milk, 1 sugar.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that one more time?
Just 1 small coffee, 2 milk, 1 sugar.
I got actually a small, which is 2 cream.
Small coffee, 2 sugar?
2 milk, 1 sugar, please.
2 milk, 1 sugar.
Yes, please.
3 sugar, 1 milk. No. Just a small coffee with 2 cream.
And just another small coffee with 2 cream, please.
So that's 2 coffees?
Yes, please.
Okay, so I have 1 tall coffee with 1 cream, 2 sugars. I'm so sorry. We actually don't have any of the like white sugar, but we do have raw sugar.
Okay, perfect.
I'm so sorry. We're actually all out of our loaves this morning.
Okay, perfect.
Kitten loves raw sugar.
Pipe with 2 cream.
Yes, and the first one just 2 milk, 1 sugar, please.
Sorry. Anything else for you?
No, that's all.
Perfect. I'll do it now.
Thank you. See you soon.
It's never been so confusing ordering 2 coffees.
You know what?
I don't think it's ever been that confusing.
I think the Trackhawk is just too loud.
Maybe it is too loud.
Because we don't have rear mufflers, we don't have mid mufflers.
That's true.
We only have the cats, and those are going to be gone soon. They're going to be replaced with long tube headers. Watch this.
I'm watching.
Is that a cop? That wasn't that impressive. Yeah, bro. Any girl with rocks in her room. If she has rocks in her room, that's just bad news. Oh, I'm sliding here. Oh, sliding. I can't get control. Oh.
This is slick as hell.
This is really slick. How come like every teenage girl drives like this?
Because they're scared to death.
Yeah, I guess.
And it's still bad at driving. Let's go.
getting pulled over? No. I literally thought.
Dude, I saw those blue lights. I'm like, damn. What's that?
Not that we don't do anything illegal here in Mexico. But it's just like sometimes like police get angry at how loud the exhaust is. Yeah,
Eye catcher.
You know what? They don't like Trackhawks. Let's just put it that way.
This is
okay, get this thumbnail, get this thumbnail. We just got pulled over. Oh my goodness.
Can you?
No, I can't.
Exactly.
Bro, we're going up a crazy hill right now. I can't even.
This is exactly where you want to break
If this
down.
guy rolls backwards, bro, what if this guy rolls backwards? I'm gonna go into oncoming traffic.
You're sliding.
I'm
Let's
sliding
go.
too, bro. There goes all my gas.
Yeah.
Oh, very bad place to do that. It's a terrible place. I don't know why I did that.
Yeah, it says drift right in front of the police station.
We're in. But I gotta pay now. You know what? I sacrificed my money that I don't have because I'm gonna put this on my credit card. And I'm not gonna pay it off for the next 7 years. And this parking is gonna cost me a lot of money, but I do it for the content. I do it for the viewers because I love you guys. Oh, I didn't park close enough. Quick. Look at this GLE 63 AMG. That is a dope ride. That is a nice ride.
That looks so good here. That looks really good. The lighting is just perfect for this.
Okay guys, so the main purpose, what's that noise? I don't know, we're downtown. The main purpose of today's video was we're gonna get some sick pictures up here. We can't go up because they blocked it off for winter, but we're gonna have to make do with being right behind the upstairs parking, but let's get some sick photos. Okay guys, so that's gonna do it for the little photo shoot we had.
Oh bro, I think you're gonna hit that post, bro. Oh damn, that was close. That was so close. Is your heart racing? Damn.
How do
you feel right now after almost hitting a pole?
God damn. If that doesn't deserve a like, I don't know what does. I thought we were gonna nail the pole.
Hands down. I'm like,
no, I'm like
bracing for him. I'm like, bro, we're hitting that thing. You're so stressed out.
Bro, did you? I thought.
Yeah, I'm like, oh shit.
No, this is what it's like driving in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Rush hour. Oh my God. In a snowstorm at that, hey?
Oh yeah.
The roads are pure ice right now, man.
They're slick.
Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I'm not sure if it actually translated through in the video, but when we were in that tunnel there and I gunned it underneath the tunnel, I lost control and I literally thought we were going into the pole. Like, I don't think the video is gonna show it. It's just like when you rev your car in a video, it never translates really into the video, but like I gunned it in track mode, no traction on. I didn't realize it was pure ice. Started going sideways into the pole, but thank goodness I just let off the gas. If I would have hit the brakes, I would have slid. But I just let off the gas and kind of like maneuvered myself back onto the road. But Spencer, were you scared?
I was scared.
Like,
Scared half to death.
like I literally thought this was over.
Spencer, like
Caden almost killed us, but he saved the day with his amazing driving skills.
Right.
So hit that like button or the dislike button. No, don't hit that. Don't hit that. Hit the like button. I will make some more good videos.
Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hellcat Guy and Spend Bev
Spend Bev.
signing off. Peace.